Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today, we are going to transform simple ingredients into a super healthy natural remedy. Imagine harnessing the power of celery, the magic of lemon and kiwi, and the strength of flax seeds. These ordinary ingredients are packed with extraordinary health benefits, from aiding digestion to strengthening bones to boosting your immune system. So if you're curious to know how to turn these everyday items into a potent health elixir, you're in the place. Stay tuned as we unveil the magic of these ordinary ingredients. Our first ingredient is the humble celery stalk, an underappreciated hero in the world of health. Often sidelined as a mere crunchy snack, celery packs a powerful punch. Its high fiber content works wonders for your digestive system, helping to keep things running smoothly. But that's not all. Celery is known to help normalize blood pressure, giving your heart a helping hand. And it doesn't stop there. Celery has a knack for strengthening bones, making it a great addition to your diet if you're looking to bolster your skeletal system. It also helps in controlling cholesterol levels in the blood, keeping your circulatory system in check. Now let's talk about disease prevention. Celery's anti-inflammatory effects can be a game changer for those battling arthritis, arthrosis, and rheumatism. And with its mild diuretic effect, it can aid in preventing urinary infections and promoting weight loss. Not just a side dish, celery is a powerhouse of health benefits. Next up, we have lemon and kiwi, two fruits that pack a punch of health benefits. Let's start with lemon, a citrus powerhouse known for its abundant vitamin C content. It aids in digestion, boosts the immune system, and helps keep your skin glowing. Now, meet the kiwi, a small fruit with a big reputation. Kiwi is celebrated for its ability to strengthen the lungs, making it a great ally during cold and flu season. Furthermore, it supports heart health and blood vessels and promotes healthy skin. But that's not all. Kiwi is also known for its positive effects on eye health. So next time you reach for a snack, remember, these fruits are more than just tasty, they are a boon to your health. Our final ingredient is the mighty flax seed, a tiny seed with enormous health benefits. Notably, flax seeds are rich in thiamine and niacin, essential nutrients for your body. But that's not all. They're also a fantastic source of omega-3 and omega-6, even surpassing fish oil. These seeds have the power to normalize blood pressure, control cholesterol levels, and even improve metabolism. Small but mighty flax seeds are a must-add to your diet. Now that we know the benefits of our ingredients, it's time to create our super healthy, natural remedy. Blend the celery, lemon, kiwi, and flax seeds with 100 milliliters of water. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach and feel the difference it makes to your health. Our journey to a healthier life doesn't have to stop here. Give this potent natural remedy a go and don't forget to share your experiences with us. For more health-boosting content, make sure to subscribe, try this remedy and share your experiences. Remember, your journey to health starts with a single step. Today we've taken that step together.